Okay, DJI, it is exactly Monday, January 19th, 6:41 p.m. at night. And if I go into, let's see if we go back home, can we view the time on our flight controller? Probably, but most likely it will require us going back out of it by pressing the backspace. And that's pretty much, well, 7:40 on the flight controller. Okay, there we go. And wait for it to load. Because the drone's over my head before moving forward. All right, so I'm at 203 feet up, and which is great because I'm away from all obstacles and anything that could possibly hit me. And it's at night, which is great because there won't be any birds. We got full RC bar, 37 minutes, but I don't really go by that. I'm not, because it is cold and the battery life isn't going to be as optimal as we would like for it to be. We're going to go over this parking lot. Whoops, I got to fix that gain in Expo so it's not so smooth, so it's a little bit slower. And those rates are more preference, I would say. I wouldn't say, hey, I love those rates. No, not quite. We're going to back up, see, so that we can get our object of desire. Now we're just going to go a little bit this way. We're going to do circle first, okay? Because circle always works. All right, and then we'll be right about here. We got full RC bars. We're at 202 feet up. Watch how circle, hopefully, right, in the perfect world, circle will make the perfect circle. Okay, so we're going to go here and click on the camera and then click on the quick shots. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and not asteroid. We're going to click on circle. Okay. And it looks like we can pull back a little bit, and we're at 87% battery. Actually, it doesn't really have to be a perfect shot because this is more for quality control, but who knows? We might be able to use this, right? And then get that camera angle right about there in case, and voila. Now we're just going to hit, we're going to select the object of desire, which is that right there. And, oh, nice, the camera angle automatically adjusts. Okay. And then press start, wait for it. It'll take a little bit of time for it to actually kick in and start when it picks up that optimal speed. So first it's going to move slow. That part's fine. That part's normal. So ideally, if you want to recreate this shot, try not starting dead center. Maybe, try starting a little bit more before the center so that it works well, because with circle, it's going to stop exactly where it started, right? Whereas with POI, well, back in the day, you could get the perfect circle and it would just continue, working. You could do like a second rotation. You're like, you know what? I don't like those cars there. I'm going to go around again. But with circle, it doesn't work that way. You got to basically do it again. And then back in the day, what you could do was, I don't know, DJI, since you're watching this, let me just make sure we're at 84% battery or 200 feet up. You could squeeze in on the map and then create a waypoint from the map of whatever route you flew. We can't do that anymore. If you could bring that back, that would be awesome. We see on the top right-hand side, we're at 32%, which is great. Into our effect/project. Watch those RC bars because you want to make sure that you don't lose any signal. Otherwise, you'll have to move closer to your drone so that you can, maintain either visual line of sight or bars. In my case, I can see it. So in my case, if I move closer, I'm going to have to get more bars. And we're doing pretty good. Looks like it's making the full rounds. I could tell because it's not going out. Usually right about now in the distance, we would be about 1,800, almost at 2,000 when it comes to the distance, but looks like it's working really well. But again, it's circle. It's going to work. And then we're at 55% into our project, almost at that full circumference. We might lose some bars, which is fine. But you know, we just move closer or point to the remote controller into the direction that it needs to be. Oh, this is really nice. We got a train too. Oh, I love it. I love when I get a train doing the POI, but in this case, we're doing a circle. Watch our height. See our height? We're at 202, which is great. And you don't want your height to move. With POI, good luck with that. Your POI effect is either going to go up in height or down. So you gotta watch that, and don't assume like, oh, it's the effect, it's gonna do it. Don't trust the process. You gotta keep your eye on things. And as you can see, I guarantee you, we got a circle. We got 82%, which is great. And look, it's going to stop exactly where we started. That's the only downside. So, you know, because let's say, oh, I want to keep going. You can't. You got to go into POI effect, but the POI effect isn't working. So you'll either have to, you know, fly more in or out, one or the other. We're at 79% battery, but just leave it. Trust the process on this when it stops, because it will stop it. And if you can't control your drone after this, just take it out of Quickshot mode. Okay, so here we are. We're here, 6 minutes into our flight. Time now is 6:47 p.m. and on the flight controller, it'll give us a different time, but we'll get that timestamp as soon as we're done with this. So we're going to go here, and then we're going to go to video. Okay. And let's look at the map and see what we got. Oops. And we got, voila, beautiful. I might use this as a thumbnail again for a different video. Let's see. Can I take a screenshot? Oh yeah, while I'm recording? Sweet. Well, what was that red part? Oh, it's recording. I was like, wait, was that an error? No, it wasn't. So now we're just going to zoom back into our map so that we can see where we are. Great. So we got the perfect circle. So 77% battery. So now we're going to do POI. So POI, we're going to go here, swipe down, and then you can choose which direction you want to go. And this is great. Ideally, it was great. It doesn't work anymore. This is great because if I want to come back here during the day and recreate the shot, I know I can have to be 201 feet up and a distance of 1,002 feet from where I'm standing. So as long as you stand in the right spot, you're fine. And as for the camera angle, that's a different story. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move the record screen out of the way. Okay. And then just press in there. See? And then POI. And now I'm going to go this way. Now, this one, you got to be careful. This one, you got to watch because we're at 200 feet up and that can change. And you probably want to leave buffer because if the drone ascends, usually, you know, hopefully it doesn't ascend all the way to 400 feet. You know, you can still let it run the full circle or just make a smaller circle. So we're at 201 feet. Looks like it's working so far, 665 feet up. We've got our lights on that were sent to us from Vifly, which was great. We did a collaboration with them, and we've got more night lights than you can think of. So basically every DJI battery has a new Vifly light, which is phenomenal. And the Vifly Platinum, which is awesome because the Vifly Platinum is at 1,000 luminums and you can't go wrong when flying a drone into the night. We did go up a little bit. See, it went 209. It didn't maintain consistency with flight. And then it went down a little bit at 208. So the height does fluctuate on the POI. And then right now it's being a little bit generous because it's not being a hog and taking more space than needed. Although I spoke too soon, it went to 209 and 210. Okay, I shouldn't have said anything. But so far it's so good. It looks like it. Now I can tell you already, it's already spanning out. And then this is where things go kaput. This is where you might have to move in a little bit to get that signal because the drone is drifting away. So, you know, your RC bars might, you know, like, and I can just tell you it's making an elliptical shape, but I need to keep an eye on the drone. Once it gets half circle, see, it just came all the way out. 212 feet up, 1,700. See, and before we weren't even at 1,700. So right about here, it was like I was saying before, is where we get like 1,200. or even 2000 when it comes to the distance. And now I can pretty much see the drone, and I can go back here and you can see that it's making some weird elliptical shape. And if I need to come back home, I can just fly it straight to me because I have lights, orientation lights on the front that we also did a collaboration with. So if you guys watching, there's a link in the description and you can see those there. But as you can see, not so optimal, not a perfect circle. And, you know, you can't really do a transitional shot of this building during the day and night. The Mini 3 Pro worked, the Mini 4 Pro worked, the Mini 5 Pro, but apparently the Mavic 4 Pro has a little bit of trouble making that full circle. But I see the beauty of that is that you can keep going, but we don't want to keep going because it came too far out. So we're going to stop that right here. And we're going to pretty much end it right about there. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time. I just can't see where the return home button is. I see the back button, but I want to press it on the keyboard, on the pad. You could do it right here though. You know, you could just do return home and then it'll reach the necessary height. But I rarely press the button so I can't see in the dark. Put your glow stickers on there or glow in the dark paint. That would be pretty cool. Anyway, there we go. We don't want it to return all the way home though and land. So we'll have to stop it because we didn't set the dynamic home point. So we'll have to watch the height and stop it. That's the beauty of dynamic, because dynamic will automatically stop the drone at 148 feet or 150, something like that. So we'll press the cancel, and it's not daytime, so it's not like obstacle avoidance will kick in, and now the drone will start to descend, and right about here is where we'll stop the drone. And then that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? And that's where we end it. Happy New Year!
Oh, there you are.
Hey.